Welcome back to the channel. Finally back outside into the garage. Had some school and stuff I needed to take care of. So hey, if you guys want to pick up a hat, you can visit the website down below. Get this boosted Lucille or boosted life hat, and this one is fitted, flex fit, and then I also have the red and gray ones mesh back fit here, and the black and white ones mesh back black and white mesh snapback as well. Now, from looking at it, with the car sitting on the ground, the rear end does need to go this way a bit. So, and I had took the locking tab out. That's the only way it's gonna be able to fit it on. So I gotta figure out a way to push the car, to push the rear end over a little bit. This thing is off. Yeah. Get a better picture. Look at that. That's how far this thing is out. Now the rear end does need to go over a bit, but golly. Like, man, this really needs to be that long. It's super frustrating. It's like I almost made it for another bracket to go right here or something. I gotta somehow move the ring that way. Let's try this. Let's see how we can engineer this by myself. I may be about to jack this up. I don't know, but this bar is too long. So the purpose of an adjustable bar is so you can adjust it down to the shortest length and then adjust it back out so that it will make the right adjustment. Well, this thing is too long, even short. So I'm gonna cut it. I'm gonna cut 3/16 of an inch off of both ends, and hopefully that will give me enough room to adjust it. If not, then I will cut the ends off completely, get new ends, and weld it back together. I mean, it's just a metal bar. I should have built one to start with. But anyway, so I'm gonna cut, and the sun is like it's messing everything. So I'm gonna cut the ends off a little bit. The one that has the adjustments in the middle is fine. It's just on the outskirts. All right, we have the Panhard bar on, and what I noticed is, so this rear end's custom in these brackets. This bracket here is not exactly where it would be on a factory rear end. So a factory rear end, this hole will be about 43 inches. It's about 42 and a half. So this whole bracket should have been about a ½ inch this way. Yeah, so let's go ahead and get the rear end centered. So what I'm gonna do is, the best way I can, is I got my level here. I got my level, right? And I'm gonna make sure, hopefully it's sitting level on the ground, about here. As you know, it's just rocking back a little bit, all right there. All right, and then I'm gonna measure the distance between here and here. And then I'm going to adjust it so to get it even on both sides. Move it over a little bit just to get the center up with the plug. So as you can see here, a little more than 4 1/4. Yeah, about 4 1/4. Let's check out the other side. This side, whoa, look at that. This side is almost 4.5 inch, 4.5. Yeah, so I need to adjust it, as in bring this side over a little bit, kind of even it out. So let's adjust it. All I need to do is pretty much turn this bar and then remeasure. So let's do that. My light here. So this should be loose. Well, I thought I loosened it up. It should be loose. Loosen this up here. And this one is loose. So now the ring needs to go this way. That light shining. So basically all I do is have this nut loose here. That one over there is loose. So just turn it, bar. All right, well, I think I got it adjusted out. Maybe it may can use a little bit more adjustment. Use the wheel on the driver's side. It's kind of hard to tell. But, and then here's the wheel on the passenger side. I may have it a little bit too far to the driver's side because it's kind of hard to tell from here. You can see, look from here. May have to just keep playing with it. But anyway, the bar is on. It might be good right here. It's kind of hard to tell. Let's see how it looks from this back end here. It's curved body line. You know, I think it might be all right now. I think I might lock it down right there. Yeah, might lock it down right. I think it's all right. But yes, I think I want to lower it down because I hate that gap that's in there. In any case, yeah. And I might need to adjust my lower control arms because I think my wheel spacing is off as well. I need to get on an alignment machine and see where the back wheels are. If it's cocked or somewhat, it's very possible. All right. So the only things I have left to finish is to finish that knuckle there and brace it so that it doesn't, pretty much so that my bar doesn't move side to side. So once I brace that, everything should be good to go. Hopefully I get that knocked out this weekend and finish up this Panhard bar. And I probably need to check the fluid in my rear end as well. All right, guys, so that's gonna do it for this video. I still haven't decided which race I'm gonna go to. I'm probably not gonna drive all the way down to San Antonio. So I'll probably end up going to Extreme and trying to run in street outlaw class, maybe. I doubt they let me run in the street, true street class. But so, if you're still here, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. If you have not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, like, and comment down below on what do you think about that tire. Should I adjust it some more or let it ride? And yeah, so we'll see you next time.